Hey everyone, today we are going to learning how to use ChatGPT voice mode to know our queries with solutions. Let's begin. So first you should find this ChatGPT AI tool from Google Play Store and download in your mobile system. And here what you need to do, enable by enabling using Gmail ID, Microsoft ID, or any other your contact number to enable free account, absolutely free. So here today my query is, so many are suggesting to learn something programming languages in the industry. Maybe expertise are suggesting one of the programming language most popular in Python, and others are maybe suggesting like Java. And the beginners who wants to initiate from C++ programming language. And I am a little bit confusion, like more the students we are facing and we are receiving so many calls regarding this query. So how to solve this? How we can resolve this? We'll try to ask a ChatGPT AI over voice mode to, we will get a solution. Like what type of AI solution will come to us, we will check now. Let's begin. Let's see. I have installed this ChatGPT AI tool in my the particular mobile system. Now here I am asking in the voice mode. Let's see. Yeah, it's initiated. Hi ChatGPT.
Hey there, how's it going? Let me know if there's anything specific I can help you with today.
Yeah, I would like to know which programming language I would like to learn. Why? Because I have reached you. Some of one are suggesting me to learn Python for latest trending programming language, and someone is suggesting me to learn Java programming language, which is most vast using programming language, and someone are suggesting me to learn C++, such a basic foundation to be strong to take a next step in programming language. Which programming language you are going to suggesting to take my future career in a success way?
Got it. Each language definitely has its strengths. If you're looking for something beginner friendly and versatile, Python is a fantastic choice. It's great for data science, web development, automation, and more. Java, on the other hand, is widely used in large scale enterprise applications and Android development. And C++ are great for understanding low level programming and building performance critical applications. Ultimately, it depends on what area you want to dive into and your long term goals. If you want a broad and flexible foundation, Python is usually a safe bet. If you're leaning toward enterprise or mobile development, Java could be the way to go. And if you want to get into system level programming or game development, C++ are really valuable. Feel free to let me know what interests you the most and I can help narrow it down further.
Yeah, ChatGPT, thank you for your great suggestions. I would like to plan to go for in a artificial intelligence, and at the same time data concepts and data visualization techniques to be enable more thoughtful sessions. So which you are going to suggesting for me as a beginner where I would like to learn in a programming language?
That sounds like an exciting path. For AI and data related fields, Python is definitely the top recommendation. It has a huge ecosystem of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow, which are all essential for data analysis, machine learning, and AI projects. Plus, Python syntax is beginner-friendly, making it easier to learn and experiment with different concepts. So if you're aiming to dive into AI and data visualization, Python would be a fantastic starting point.
Great. So I would like to go for Python as my first priority to start learning Python programming language. Would you suggest me how could I learn Python programming language to reach my goal in a success way?
That's awesome. To get started with Python and reach your goals, here are some steps you can follow. 1. Beginner-friendly resources. Start with interactive platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, or edX. They offer beginner courses that cover the basics of Python. 2. Hands-on practice. Use platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or ToadWars to solve coding challenges. This will help reinforce what you learn. Projects. Start with small projects like data analysis with Pandas, simple web scraping, or building a basic AI model with scikit-learn. Projects help solidify your knowledge. For Learn libraries, dive into popular libraries for data science and AI like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and TensorFlow or PyTorch. There are plenty of tutorials and documentation available. 5 community and support. Join Python communities like Reddit's r/LearnPython, Stack Overflow, or local meetups. Engaging with others can help you stay motivated and get help when you're stuck. 6, consistent learning. Set aside regular time each week to learn and practice. Consistency is key to building a strong foundation. If you need any specific resources or have questions along the way, I'm here to help.
Great. So I would like to start immediately Python programming language. In this journey, if I need any suggestions or support, definitely I will approach you.
That sounds fantastic. I'm excited to see you dive into Python. Just let me know whenever you need help, whether it's with a concept, a resource recommendation, or even some motivation. Happy coding, and I'm here whenever you need.
I'll reach you when I need. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Looking forward to it, and best of luck on your Python journey. Have a great one, and I'll be here whenever you need me.
So this is the way, even AI is also suggesting for us to start learning Python programming language as a first priority. In this journey, when we require to learn something new skills for applying of artificial intelligence, at the same time data science and data visualizations, machine learning and deep learning, wherever it is applicable in the world. So the vast using of Python is applying even not only this sector, where the vast libraries are readily available in Python programming language to apply. Yes, even AI is also suggesting to learning Python is a very easy. All about learning programming languages are super easy, whereas where is the typical? All you have to focus what you are learning. How you are going to be building in a strong foundation in fundamentals. So anyone could start learning irrespective of IT background or non-IT background, even mathematics background, even non-math background. So all you have to show in an interest to start learning programming language, which is nowadays in that more trending. So I hope this video will help you more and more to take a quick decision to start learning any one of the programming language. At the same time, if you like this video, please do like, share and comment your views. What the way and how, which programming language you are choosing and why that particular programming you are going to learning. All we have to choose a future career to learn skills now. The skills are present available which we require to changing and transforming our future career in a trending setting in a way into the next level. So any one of the programming language you may choose, the out of the Python will give you more and more the possibilities and the ways enabling the capturing more suggestions and the future enabling. So please do like, share, subscribe for more interesting videos. Catch you soon. Thank you.